The goal of having 0 prototypes poses a huge challenge to development teams around the world. This is actually one of the main reasons why we're trying to come up with testing solutions which are smarter, easier to use, and most importantly, more efficient. Testlab Workflow Automation is a collection of automation services to offload your data, do the processing, and store the results to the location of your choice. So for the input, you can get your data from a shared network drive within your company premises. You can offload data from the SCADA's hardware, measuring somewhere in the field, or even connect to the Simcenter Share cloud and storage solution for collaboration. All that data can be then automatically processed using Simcenter Testlab Process Designer, deployed on a server machine, and the results stored on a shared network drive or published to the Simcenter Testlab data management solution. To put words to action, I'm going to show you what we have planned for today. We're instrumenting 2 vehicles, one for an interior NVH evaluation for road noise testing, and the other for a traditional durability road load data acquisition campaign. Even the instrumentation step is much more efficient because we are using the new generation SCADAs, which comes with onboard software. Anyone with a tablet, a phone, or a PC can connect to the SCADAs and see the sensors in real time. So we can have multiple people walking around doing the instrumentation, which makes the whole process much more efficient. Normally, as the designated test engineer, I would be joining my colleagues on the test track, but today I'm going to follow the progress of their testing campaign remotely, here from the comfort of my desk. As the car hit the roads, I can connect to the onboard hardware by using the Siemens Scale-in solution. This means that the data is offloaded through a 5G network, and I can have a look at the sensors and the video stream or simply the progress of their measurement campaign remotely. At the same time, TWA offloads the data from the hardware, does the processing on our central server, and stores the result on a central ASAM ODS solution. This means that I can have a look also at the actual NVH and durability results and see if there is maybe a need for a repetition of a certain maneuver or another type of test that I would like the test drivers to do. Now, because I can see all of that already here, all it takes is a simple phone call and we can extend our campaign while the cars are still on the road. The analysis executed on the server can range from very simple data cleanup and third-party format export to more advanced analysis like histograms, rain flows, fatigue damage spectra, hearing model tonality, synchronous order maps, or even embedding simulation models and using the test data as input. Whatever Process Designer can do today on your PC, you can deploy the same in a server environment to be executed immediately after your acquisition is performed on the hardware. Don't forget that Process Designer can also deploy a lot of efficiency improving processes. Things like automated data quality checking, verifying if the average speed is okay, cutting the data automatically based on the GPS position, or simply comparing the expected results to the required targets. These are all things that can be created in Process Designer, deployed on the server, and run automatically after the acquisition. While remote access to the acquisition hardware is a very powerful setup, don't forget that Testlab Workflow Automation can also be used by colleagues or departments that measure their data with a different SCADA solutions or even third-party hardware. Simply agree on and start storing the measurement results on a shared network drive or the Simcenter Share cloud storage solution, and TWA will make sure that the data is offloaded, processed, and the results are stored at a location of your choice. Doing batch processing of hundreds of input data has really never been easier. And since we're talking about results, It can be very interesting to connect Testlab Workflow Automation to the Simcenter Testlab data management. This means that all of the results that are offloaded, immediately processed, they're actually stored on a central ASAM ODS solution. This means that anyone in your organization with the access to the database can have a look at the results while the car, the plane, the bridge, or even the tested washing machines are still being evaluated. Thanks for watching, and have a look at our website for more detailed information.